Bengaluru police have arrested 15 people, including 3 foreigners, in a major crackdown on illegal narcotics trade in the city. The arrests were made during joint operations by the CCB Narcotics Control Wing and City Police following specific inputs about drug trafficking. Police seized drugs worth 10.59 crore rupees with the total market value estimated at 21.50 crore rupees. The accused were allegedly selling substances such as hydroponic ganja, MDMA, cocaine, LSD pills, LSD strips, and hashish oil to the public, including college students and ITBT employees. The seized items include 9.46 kg of hydroponic ganja, 5.677 kg of MDMA, 34 kg of ganja, 131 grams of cocaine, 462 ml of hashish oil, 21 LSD pills, and 27 grams of LSD strips. 1 car, a two-wheeler, 4 mobile phones, and 24,500 rupees in cash were also recovered. Cases have been registered under the NDPS Act. The police said further investigation is underway.
The Bangalore City Police, in its continued action against drugs, has again done the CCB wing and the various police stations in Amrithalli, Ebgodi, JB Nagar, Lakshmi Layout, Govindpura police station. Staff and officers of these police stations and the divisions have done an excellent work, and more than 15 accused have been arrested. They are all peddlers. Out of them, 3 are from foreign country, rest are from India. The total value as per the NCB valuation comes to 10 crores 60 lakhs odd. However, the market value is above 21 crores. The drugs seized are of different types, including hydroganja, MDMA, ganja, and cocaine, and other items. In this effort, all the entire city police teams, which are continuously monitoring the consumers and peddlers with source of supply and back end and front linkages, this has resulted in these seizures. Based on these recovery, we have still more information, and we will certainly arrest other accused. But this is an ongoing drive, and we will continue our drive against drugs.